Benefits of drinking turmeric milk every morning. Are you looking for a natural way to boost your health and well-being? What if I told you that a simple golden drink could transform your health? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around, because in today's video, we're diving into the incredible benefits of drinking turmeric milk every morning. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine, and for a good reason. This vibrant golden spice isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse of benefits when mixed with warm milk. Let's jump right into the top 10 reasons you should start sipping turmeric milk every morning. Benefit number 1. Boosts immunity. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. By drinking turmeric milk every morning, you give your immune system a natural boost, helping your body fight off infections more effectively. This is especially beneficial during flu seasons or when exposed to germs in daily life. A stronger immune system means fewer sick days and more energy to enjoy life. Benefit number 2. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including arthritis and heart disease. Curcumin, the key ingredient in turmeric, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, helping to reduce pain, swelling, and stiffness. Drinking turmeric milk can be particularly helpful for those suffering from joint pain or muscle soreness after workouts. It's a natural way to keep your body feeling flexible and pain-free. Benefit number 3. Aids digestion. If you often experience bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, turmeric milk might be the solution. Turmeric stimulates bile production, which aids in breaking down food and promoting smoother digestion. It also helps reduce acid reflux and maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A happy digestive system means better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. Benefit number 4. Promotes better sleep. Struggling to get a good night's rest? Turmeric milk has calming properties that help relax your nervous system and reduce stress. It promotes the production of serotonin and melatonin, two hormones responsible for regulating sleep cycles. Sipping on a warm cup before bedtime can lead to deeper, more restful sleep. Say goodbye to tossing and turning at night. Benefit number 5. Supports heart health. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, but turmeric milk can help support heart health naturally. Curcumin has been shown to improve blood circulation, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and prevent plaque buildup in arteries. Regular consumption can lower the risk of heart disease and maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Keep your heart strong with a daily cup of turmeric milk. Benefit number 6. Detoxifies the liver. Your liver is responsible for flushing out toxins and keeping your body clean. Turmeric milk enhances liver function by boosting enzyme production and helping break down harmful substances. It also protects the liver from damage caused by toxins and alcohol consumption. Give your liver the support it needs with this natural detox drink. Benefit number 7. Improves brain function. Turmeric milk isn't just good for the body, it also benefits the brain. Curcumin helps boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF) levels, which supports cognitive function, learning, and memory. It may also help reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's by preventing oxidative damage. A daily dose of turmeric milk can help keep your mind sharp and focused. Benefit number 8. Glowing skin. Want clear and radiant skin? Turmeric milk is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help combat acne, reduce wrinkles, and brighten skin tone. It fights free radicals that cause premature aging and supports collagen production for youthful-looking skin. Drinking turmeric milk regularly can give you a natural, healthy glow from within. Benefit number 9. Aids weight loss. Are you struggling to shed extra pounds? Turmeric milk can help. Curcumin has been found to boost metabolism and enhance fat-burning processes in the body. It prevents fat accumulation and improves digestion, which contributes to healthy weight management. Drinking turmeric milk daily, along with a balanced diet and exercise, can effectively support your weight loss journey. Benefit number 10. Natural mood booster. Feeling stressed or down? Turmeric milk can help uplift your mood naturally. Curcumin is known to increase dopamine and serotonin levels, the feel-good hormones that regulate mood and emotional well-being. It can help reduce anxiety, stress, and even symptoms of depression. A warm cup of turmeric milk can be the perfect way to start your day on a positive note. Dear viewers, turmeric milk is a simple, natural drink that can do wonders for your body and mind. So, why not give it a try? Start your mornings with a warm cup of turmeric milk and experience these benefits yourself. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it before and how it worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.